Hello everyone. So today is the day when PUBG Fearless and United Cards game has been released on the Play Store. Earlier it was just for pre-register and now they've actually released it. There are quite a bit of reviews as well. So let us open the game and see how it performs. So as you can see, this is the home page when you open the game. So here the only settings which are available are for graphics and the sensitivity during the aim. So let us keep the graphics at ultra. So I'm running this game on my OnePlus 7 Pro. Let us hit play.
15 जून दोपहर 2 बजे गलवान घाटी हिमालय की
This is the
ऊंचाइयों पर
storyline as you can see.
भारतीय सीमा का एक सुदूर वीरान इलाका।
कॉर्पोरल अहमद बेस को खबर देते हैं कि फॉरवर्ड पोस्ट से झंडा नदारद है।
सर, देखिए वहाँ और भी हैं।
पर्वतों पर उस दिन फौजी कमांडोज अकेले नहीं थे। दुश्मन सैनिकों ने गिरते पत्थरों की आड़ लेकर फौजी यूनिट पर धावा बोल दिया।
कम इन बेस कैंप। स्क्वाड 3 का भारतीय क्षेत्र में घुसपैठियों से सामना हुआ। रिपीट, स्क्वाड 3 का दुश्मनों से सामना हुआ।
लेफ्टिनेंट सिंह की पेट्रोल 3 टीम को जिस आखिरी विरोधी का सामना करना पड़ा वो थे भूस्खलन से घिरे पत्थर और चट्टान। और फिर अंधेरा छा गया। 6 घंटे बाद जब लेफ्टिनेंट सिंह की आंख खुली तो उनका सर चकरा रहा था। पहाड़ से हुई पत्थरों की उस बौछार से खरोचों और घावों के साथ उनके सर पर भी चोट आई थी।
अहमद, ढिल्लो, रवि।
फिर भी उनकी हालत उन दोनों फौजी भाइयों से बेहतर थी जो उनके पास बर्फ में शहीद हो चुके थे। कम से कम वो जिंदा तो थे।
भारतीय सेना बिना लड़े कभी हार नहीं मानती और फौजी कभी पीछे नहीं हटता। ये लड़ाई ऐसे खत्म नहीं होगी। मैं ऐसा होने ही नहीं दूंगा।
बहादुरी, भाईचारे और भारत के लिए फौजी।
So one thing which I can say from after seeing this is the dialogues and all are pretty good. So as you can see, this is the when you start the game. Okay. Rest near the fireplace to regenerate health and stamina. So initially speaking, I really find this game to be very smooth. I'm not noticing any drops in the frames or anything like that. Yeah, if you are comparing this game with PUBG, I must say that the graphics are not as much at that high level as PUBG used to have. But this is a completely different game, and I don't think you should compare this with PUBG because it is based on storylines and other features will be added. And for the initial build, that is the first build of the game, it is really stable, I can say. Let us see ahead and how the performance. Let us see how the performance is there. the game, as they have said that you can run this game on any of the Android devices, and you don't need a mobile which is very powerful. And because of the same reason, this is for the graphics. The graphics are not on the higher side or something like that. Even at ultra, there is nothing change I can see, because earlier I was playing on the normal mode. Okay.
जहाँ एक घुसपैठिया होता है, वहाँ और भी होते हैं।
Give up before we make you.
As you can see, it is everything is going on very smooth in the game. I'm not noticing any drops or anything like that. So still the game really feels very well optimized. And the timer which you are seeing here, that is saying about 24 minutes left. That is like you have to complete all the levels within this time range, and then only you will be going to the next level. If you fail to do it in the time,
तुम कहाँ
then
हो?
it will be stopped and you will lose the game and you have to start again.
ढूंढ लूंगा और फिर हम इन बेहुदा लोगों को वापस घर भेज देंगे। आह, अभी तक मेरे फौजियों का कुछ अता पता नहीं।
There are a lot of dialogues and everything which keeps coming, and also they are repetitive as well. A more uniqueness in the dialogue would have been better.
और घुसपैठिए, ये यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं?
Give up before we make you.
मैंने जितना सोचा था, हालात उससे कहीं ज्यादा बुरे हैं। एक और काम, ये कोई आम बॉर्डर पेट्रोल तो नहीं है।
I think a lot of more elements should be added in the game rather than just fighting and fist fighting. Something which uses strategy, planning, and everything like that. Because after playing for 10 or 15 minutes, you will get bored of doing the same fighting scenes again and again. Yeah, with time they get more harder and harder, but other than that, other than fighting with arms or the weapons which you get after fighting, there is nothing else which you have to do, at least in the beginning. So some more elements should have been added, maybe finding a way on how to go rather than just a map guiding on where to go, something like that. So all these elements will make the game more interesting to play rather than just showing this. This is just my opinion. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Let us play the game for more few minutes and then we will start.
शायद इनके ऑफिसर्स के पास कोई जवाब होगा।
No more playing soldier. No more playing soldier.
मुझे ये कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा। फौजी कभी अपना मिशन अधूरा नहीं छोड़ता। बॉर्डर अब
As you can
नजदीक
see,
नहीं
the
है।
many of the dialogues are getting
मेरे
repeated
साथी
again and again.
ज्यादा दूर
Maybe
नहीं
they
होंगे।
could add more dialogues. But yeah, as far as the dialogues and the gameplay is concerned, it is very good and smooth. Kudos to the developer team for making a game which is so smooth, that too in the initial builds. Because making a game like this is not easy, even if you are considering to the level of PUBG.
मैं अपने साथियों को निराश नहीं कर सकता। मेरे भाइयों, तुम जहां भी हो, मैं तुम्हें।
LAC की गलत तरफ एक कैंप।
लगता है आज मुझे LAC के उस पार जाना होगा।
No more playing Sonya.
So I think we should exit from here, as even you guys have seen the gameplay. It is getting boring. These are the coins and which you get after playing the game, and you can use this to purchase these items during the game. Other than that, there is also deathmatch and free fall aura which would be coming soon, but right now there is only a campaign mode, which is a story mode. So how does 4G compares to the likes of PUBG and other games such as the Call of Duty and everything? Well, what I think is the game 4G and the Call of Duty and PUBG are simply completely different games in comparison. Yeah, the graphics is surely on the lower side when you compare this game, because they want to target this game on a lot of devices and not just high-end devices, so that you don't anyone who has a normal Android device can play the same. And this game more feels like a comic game and something like that, and not something which is very close to reality. Yeah, the graphics actually, when you are seeing the videos and the everything, it actually looks like you are in a comical game and not something which is in highly intensive in graphics such as the GTA games or anything such as like you play PUBG or like that. So if you are looking at this game through a different perspective, yeah, surely the game is very good. But if you are comparing with PUBG and all, it is difficult to recommend this. And I must say that in order to get this game fully working and all these modes, we need to give at least 6 months more, 3 to 6 months, so that we will be able to understand how more they are doing. Else, this is just the first build of the game which has been released. So yeah, for the initial build, surely I must say kudos to the developer team who has for designing such a game. So yeah, what do you guys think of this game? Do let me know in the comments below. Have you downloaded it? What are your takes? Drop your takes in the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.